Hello.
Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Gia Hân.
What do you like about your hometown?
I like my people in my hometown because they are very friendly, hardworking, and kind-hearted.
And what do you dislike about your neighborhood?
I don't like my neighborhood because they very noisy and they don't say anything to other people and lazy.
Are computers important to you?
Yes, because I need computer to study, work, um, and make a lot of things.
Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I I usually eating at home because I eat dinner, breakfast, and uh, usually eat lunch at school.
Very good. City or countryside?
I think I choose city because city is modern than countryside has a lot of place to visit um, and has a lot of food, amazing food, more than countryside.
Very good, Han. That was excellent.